Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the PRPC petroleum refinery and petrochemicals. Composition of petroleum આપણે some general properties discuss કરીશું like paraffin, general properties of paraffin, then olefin and properties, then diaphragms, naphthenics and aromatic compound વિશે okay. And the last one about the discussion for a composition of this petroleum. Now start the general properties of the paraffin. The highest carbon atoms present in the crude is a C70 numbers. The further expect the few hydrocarbons. All other hydrocarbons exhibit for isomerization and isomerism. The general properties of this homogeneous series are discussed in below. The first one regarding the paraffin. પેરાફિન જનરલ ઇક્વેશન્સ છે આપણી પાસે કે CnH2n+2 alkane, this one CnH2n+2, this is the alkane. In a general formula of paraffin, and the first three compound are gases, while compound up to the C16 are liquid, and beyond that they assume semi-solid consistency, while beyond C30 assume the shape of the solid, blocks, sometimes even the crystalline forms. There are number of isomeric compound. For each compound preferably different in the properties. For example, up to C3 no isomers are the possible. C4 exhibits only two isomers as shown is here. Okay, simply the compound is this one, this formation of the CH2, 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 number of 4 carbons. Okay, now this is a butene, the N-butene, this is a isobutene. Again repeated, CnH2n+2 is the general formula of paraffin, and first three compounds are gases, while compound up to the C16 are liquid, and beyond that they assume the semi-solid or consistency, well beyond C30 assume the shape of this one. And there are the number of isomeric compound. For each compound preferably differing in a properties. For example, up to the C3 no isomers are possible. C4 exhibits only the two isomers as shown is here, and the N-butane is a for number of chain compound, and isobutane this one, and C5 exhibits 3 isomers. The number of isomers increases as the number of carbon atoms increase. The C13 to H28, the exhibits of the 802 isomers form. Now to discuss this one, general properties of paraffin. The paraffin are stable, not attacked by a sulfuric acid or other oxidizing agent. However, paraffin to higher order The C30 are the propane to oxidation. Even unusual oxidizing agent like potassium permanganate can cause the good amount of the oxidation. And aptitude to contribute the substituted product with halogens has magnified the petrochemical industries. Higher paraffin are very much insoluble in water. That will the lower ones are soluble in ethers. And alcohol in this figure 1.2. Take it then this one. This is a simple figure for a boiling point at a first few alkanes, alcohol and acids. એના અલગ અલગ રેન્જીસ આપ્યા છે. ડ્રો ઇન યોર બુક. Boiling point versus a carbon point. These 3 points regarding the alkane, alcohol and acids for under these 3 lines, first, second and third one. Okay, simple discussion for this one. Figure 1.2. Now the paraffin are stable, not attacked by sulfuric acid or other oxidizing agent. However, the paraffins of higher order for C30s are propane to oxidation, even usual oxidizing. Some agent like potassium permanganate can be cause the good amount of this oxidation. And the aptitude to contribute the submitted some product with halogens has magnified to the petrochemical industries. Higher paraffins are very much insoluble in water throughout. The lower ones are the soluble in the ether and alcohols. In this figure 1.2 around this one જે આપણે figure already જોઈ છે. A paraffin up to 3 carbon atoms have inclinations to form hydrates such as CH4.7H2O and C2H6 7H2O, and these hydrates of clogging and corrosion. Some difficulties, hence drying in essential before uses. The specific gravity of this series they increase with the molecular weight. A still paraffin have less specific gravity and boiling point than the aromatic viscosity of paraffin is less, but viscosity index is high. In a contrast to aromatics, the smoke point of the paraffin is very high level पर છે. With poor illuminating, some the characteristics, the power point of the paraffin is usually high due to this paraffin. Rich crude the products bring difficulties in transportation and storage also. Okay, now the more discussion part in this figure. આપણે ઓલરેડી ડિસ્કસ કર્યું છે જનરલ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ માટે, કાર્બન એટમ્સ માટે વર્સિસ ધ બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટ. The isomers differs from the N-paraffin by having the slightly low boiling point, low pour point, high viscosity and viscosity indexes. Usually the paraffins are more reactive than N paraffins but burn like N paraffins without much illuminations and smoking. Now the another more point for a general properties for a paraffin, the high molecular compound for greater than to carbon 20 may be of the saturated of unsaturated nature and decompose if exposed to a temperature of above 370 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the vacuum distillation is essential for a distillating such as the boiling stocks to prevent them from the thermal degradation. Now the simply point is unsaturated olefin and some properties. Olefins and is represented by the general formula CnH2n. Which is the formula? CnH2n is the olefins. Now what is the alkane formula? CnH2n plus 1. The first four are gases, the C15 are liquid, and the beyond C15 are solid. The boiling point of olefins are generally the lower by few degrees than the saturated compounds of the same carbon. The number of chemically this differs very much from a paraffin. They are easily attacked by sulfuric acid. Some of the even polymerize the treatment of the with sulfuric acid and the subsequently hydrolysis and the oxidation part. Okay, simply the treatment of with a sulfuric acid and subsequently hydrolysis yields some alcohol, for example isopropyl alcohol, and with the permanganate the oxidation glycol are formed. The unsaturated compound like olefin, diolefins in a general do not appear in the crudes. Now the same point for this one, olefin and paraffinic bases. Some properties are represented by the general formula CnH2n, and the first four are gases up to C15 are the liquid, and beyond this formation. Now this one, acidity and some properties. Now the diolefins regarding this point. Okay, CnH2n minus 2 formula याद रख जो. Naphthalene is for a formula is CnH2n. The bromic is pro minus C of the ring structure start with the 5 carbon atoms for a C3 and C4 ring structure. Okay, and now the aromatics simply discussion part for a 80 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, small and aromatic in benzene. Other simple aromatic follow the toluene, xylene and cumene. Okay, so thank you so much.